Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. What is the area of the triangle with a base of 7 cm and a height of 8 cm? So our review for today is all about finding the area of a triangle given its base and its height. So for this, we have a formula to find yung area ng ating triangle. Ito, tatandaan nyo lang to ha. So, the area of a triangle is equals to 1/2 base times height. Okay, so yun lang yung tatandaan nyo. I-multiply nyo lang yung base and yung height, and then di-divide nyo sa 2. Yun agad yung ating area for a triangle. Okay? So our base, sinabi, 7 cm. And then yung ating height naman is 8 cm. So given na siya. All we need to do is to plug in this value sa ating formula. Okay? So, equals to, copy natin yung 1/2, and then base na 7 cm, and then a height of 8 cm. Ayan. And then, simplify lang natin tong ating equation or itong ating expression. So, para mas madali, i-multiply muna natin yung 7 sa 8. Okay? Para hindi muna tayo mag-deal sa fraction kasi baka hindi naman siya exact, magde-decimal pa. Mahirapan kayo. So, copy muna natin yung 1/2. And then, we have 7 times 8. That is 56. And then, yung centimeter tsaka centimeter, mamumultiply din siya. So, cm multiply by cm is just cm square. Okay? And then, simplifying this, so 56 divided by 2, that is equal to 28. And then, copy natin yung unit natin na centimeter square or square centimeter. So, this is our answer for this problem, which is letter C. So, for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.